My name is Alip Sahida and I am faculty member in forestry at Hasanuddin University and head of the Forest and Society Research Group. We hope you had been enjoying the excellent events at the ongoing IASC Biennial Conference. We are already looking forward to welcoming you to the next Biennial Conference that we will host in Makassar in 2027. This is the first time Indonesia will be hosting the conference since 2006, and our networks of academics, practitioners, artists, and others in the region are already working hard to prepare an excellent learning and convening experience. We are also looking forward to providing opportunities for you all to connect with local communities and commoning initiatives through our planned site visits and integrated programming. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me and our team if you would like to get involved as part of the planning team. See you in Makassar in June 2027.